Hey everyone, I'm Sharmita. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a person who believes in making first impressions and looking put together, then you're in here for a treat. I'm going to show you guys 7 tips and tricks on how you can look put together always. So without a further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So let's start from the top. Your hair. No matter what kind of outfit you're wearing, how basic it is, having groomed, trimmed, neatly set hair is a very important. Whether you're a guy or a girl, use hairsprays, gels, and serums to set your hair. Now, I'm a big fan of messy hair. No offense for that, but at times you need to have good looking, sleek, neat hair. So, yeah, style your hair once in a while, doesn't matter. Use hair serums as I said, it will make a huge difference on your face and your outfit. Number 2 is good makeup. Now, I have seen a lot of people and myself are wearing patchy makeup or oily makeup. Don't wear makeup that doesn't suit your skin. If you're not a pro, it's completely fine. If you do not like makeup, it's completely fine. Just use mascara or just concealer or just lipstick. Any makeup product actually brightens your face. So yeah. Number 3 is the most basics of basics. Please iron your clothes or press your clothes or steam your clothes, whatever you want to call it. Wearing ironed clothes actually tells how mindful and organized and responsible person you are. So make sure you iron your clothes wherever you're going. To be honest, I iron even my PJs just in case. So iron your clothes. It is a very good habit and also gives a very good first impression. Number 4, your wrist, rubber band. This ain't cool, people. Girls, do not do this. I do this. I agree. I do this a lot. But try not to do it because it doesn't look very good. It doesn't look put together. So as much as possible, try to put your hairbands in your purse or in your pockets, but not on your hand or your wrist. Yeah. Number 5 is your accessories. Like I always say, have good accessories. Like I'm wearing now. I buy a lot of accessories, especially when it comes to jewelry. I buy a lot of them. I have a lot of them, but I do not wear a lot of them because of their color or the way they look or the finishing they have. So always invest in good quality accessories and do not do too much, okay? Like how you shouldn't go overboard with your makeup, the same way do not overdo your accessories. Play it simple. Whenever you're going out, look yourself into the mirror and just take out one accessory that you think is not necessary for your outfit, and that is how you complete your outfit. Number 6 is the second part of the accessories, that is the shoes and the bags. Now a lot of people, okay, a lot of people including me, first thing we see is the shoes, then their outfit. So having good pair of shoes, it could be heels, it could be sneakers, it could be flats, whatever your choice is, wear a good looking ones. So yeah, invest in good shoes and a bag for girls. Now the last one is your jeans and your basics. Now why two together is because both are almost the same. The quality and the color and the fabric matters. Now jeans, you should obviously go with colors like darker or lighter shades. Do not go with the fabrics which are like shade, the black jeans especially. The color is like not black, it's not grey or charcoal, it's in between and they give such a bad look. So do not wear such kind of jeans. Rather invest in good quality jeans. If you cannot afford it, look out for sales. Like Zara has sales sometime, like special prices, so look out in that. I mostly buy jeans like that, so look out for sales. And when you're going with the other kind of basics which are not jeans, always make sure the fabric is thick, it's not too revealing or transparent, and that the quality, the color of the fabric is good too. And that's it for today's video. It is very simple. These do not take a lot of time. do not take a lot of effort. It's just how you choose on your daily basis. So yeah, try them out and tell me how they work for you. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful, and if you did like this video, then you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. Do not forget it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though.